Hi, so welcome to today's lessons. So in today's lessons, we are coming to learn the advanced usage of the filter function of Excel. So we are going to make it dynamic in a way that at the click or at the selection of a particular content of a cell, it will automatically populate your data based on that reference. So what you need to do is that, for example, we have this data over here, and then we are coming to create a filter function to bring our filtered data to this side, right? So we are going to add a reference section at the top. So this reference is for the educational level, and then this one is for the marital status. You could also add reference based on the number, right? So, but then for the meantime, we are limiting it to these two references. So we are going to go the easier parts. The first one is that you are going to refer the references to this side. So we are coming to learn about one reference and then tricks on using the two references, right? So the first thing is that you are going to add a drop down list based on the content of the column you want to filter, right? For instance, you want to filter based on the educational level, and there are two ways of doing it. But if you are using Excel 365, it is easier for you. All you need to do is to refer it to the whole content over here, and then it will automatically select the unique values. Unlike those using the older versions, where it will select all of the content in the column that you select, right? So we are going to do the easier way. And before that, the best thing for you to do is to name reference the data, right? And the easier way to do that is, first of all, you are going to create a table out of your data. The reason for this is that it will help you so that anytime you add a list, it will automatically be factored into your results, right? So once you create the data, you can customize it. And then the next thing for you to do is to name the columns. So the first one, we are going to name it edu level. Let us go to the name referencing, name manager. So the whole table is table 2. So new, we are going to name it edu level. It's okay. Then this one, we name it marital status, marital status, right? And we are going to refer it to this side. Okay, so for now, let us limit it to this side. Remember, the table is table 2, right? So now let us go back, and then let us use the drop down list over here. To use the drop down list, I'm going to create a whole new lessons for the drop down function. I think we have the validation function over there. So to learn more about data validation, which includes the drop down, you need to go to that section and then learn everything about it. So you go to our data, then data validation, you select list, and then here, remember we saved it edu level, right? So edu level, then we are good to go. You see that it has automatically filtered everything out for us. Okay, so I mean it has selected only the unique values for us, the unique values in this whole column that we selected, right? So this is the first step. Now the next step is that, so once you are done with that, you can now enter your data over here. So it is going to be filter, and as you already know, the array is going to be from this side up to this side. You can either type table 2 because it is we've named it is a named reference, right? So comma, then we are going to include, the include is going to be our edu level, and then it should be equal to this. Now the value, if it is empty, then what we want to bring is that it should be showing that it is empty. We are done with it. All right, so here it is showing that it is empty because we've not made any selection. Now the moment we select never attended, all right, you see everything pops up automatically. Nursery, everything pops up. Kindergarten, it filters it correctly. All right, so thank you, and in the next lesson we are going to see how we can combine two filters or drop downs in making our selection. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.